with deep respect and hope in your humanity. Today I speak to the government of Malaysia and UNHCR on behalf of the voiceless. I am one of the Rohingya refugees living in Bangladesh, Cox's Bazar Rohingya refugee camp. Many of our Rohingya brothers and sisters remain detained in Malaysia jail, separated from their family, without communication, without legal clarity, and without hope. Among them are two of my own brothers, whose absence have left. We don't know their condition. We can't speak to them, and we fear for their safety every single day. These detainees are not criminals. They are victims of genocide. Please release our brother from detention. Please let them live freely. They are our future, our hopes. Their families are crying in the cave. We know that UNHCR stands for production. We also know that UNHCR speaks for those who have no voice. Our life depends on your compassion. Our future depends on your action. Their mother cries every single day. Their children ask where their fathers are. In the jails of Malaysia, our brothers wait. Our sister cry. Our mother lost sleep, not knowing where their children are. O government of Malaysia, O kind-hearted people of Malaysia, O land of peace and Islam, let your mercy speak for Rohingya who are suffering in the jail of Malaysia. Let your justice to see the Rohingya. Let your heart to feel Rohingya. This is our reality. We are Rohingya. We are not dangerous. We are stateless. We have eyes but we can't see. We are broken. We are victims of genocide. We don't have power. We don't have lawyers. We don't have leaders to discuss with you, but we are still alive. I know Malaysia has many challenges. There are rules and laws, but I ask you with full respect. We are stateless. We are victims of genocide. We are only trying to survive. Thank you, Government of Malaysia and UNHCR. May your work bring peace and mercy to those who need it most. Thank you, Government of Malaysia. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.